Hello children, today we are going to learn new lesson, the wind and the sun. The wind and the sun. Okay, so let us start. In this story, wind and sun are talking with each other. Let us see what they are talking. हम देखते हैं अब वो क्या बात करते हैं. Wind says, "Sun, can you see that man walking down the road?" What wind says? "Sun, can you see that man walking down the road? I can get his coat off more quickly than you can." What wind says? "Sun, can you see that man walking down the road?" कि वो रोड पे चल रहा आदमी दिख रहा है सन तुम्हें. I can get off his coat off more quickly than you can. I can get his coat means मैं उसका कोट उतरवा सकता हूँ और वो भी तुमसे भी फास्ट. Quickly means fast. Then sun smiling and said, "We will see. We will see who is stronger." We will see. So what sun says? Sun, this is sun, and he says, "We will see who is stronger." That means who is stronger? You are stronger or I am stronger. We will see. कौन strong है हम में से. Then what happened? I will let you try first. I will give you first chance to take his coat off. I will let you try first. Then wind puffing his cheeks and blowing hard. Puffing his cheeks and blowing hard. That means puffing means ऐसे जोर से वो हवा छोड़ने लगा. ही इज पफिंग हिज चीक्स. चीक्स मीन्स दिस चीक्स, हमारे जो गाल होते हैं ना, दैट इज चीक्स. ही इज पफिंग हिज चीक्स एंड ब्लोइंग हार्ड. And when he started blowing hard, that time man says, "How strong the wind is today." How strong the wind is today. It is blowing my coat away. It is blowing my coat away. वो मेरा कोट उड़ा के ले जा रहा है. It is blowing my coat away. I must hold it tightly round myself. I must hold it. Hold means पकड़ के रखना. I must hold it tightly round myself. I have to must hold it. मुझे पकड़ के रखना चाहिए. Again, wind blowing harder. Yes, again wind started blowing harder. Now see what happened on next page number 47. Then man pulling his coat more tightly. Man pulling his coat more tightly. और जोर से पकड़ लिया. And says, "How cold it is." Now he is feeling cold. How cold it is. Then wind says, "Sun, I give up." मतलब मैं तो हार गया. Sun, I give up. I cannot get his coat off. I cannot get his coat off. मतलब मैं उसका कोट नहीं उतरवा सका. Then sun says, "Now it is my turn." Now it is my turn. So now I will see. Let me try. Let me try. Now I will try. And he shines hard. He shines hard. He started shining. मतलब वो और गर्म होने लगा. Sun. Then man says, "What a funny day." What a funny day. एक ऐसा funny day है. It was cold. It was so cold, and now it is so hot. It was so cold, and now it is so hot. Before some time, it is so cold. Before some time, it was so cold, and now I am feeling so hot. Now it is so hot. Now sun again shining harder. Sun और गर्म होने लगा. Sun again shining harder, and sun says, "I will." I will. That means sun says, "I will make you feel more and more hot." I will. Then I will make, he said, "I will make him feel hotter and hotter." ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा गर्म मैं उसे फील करवाऊंगा. I will make him feel hotter and hotter. Then man wiping his face with handkerchief. See, wiping means पोछना. Man wiping his face and said, I must take off my coat. Because now I'm feeling very very hot. That's why I must take off my coat. Then sun says, wind, I have won. I have made him take off his coat. Lastly, sun has won. Sun जीत गया and said, wind, I have won. I have made him take off his coat. Finally, man take off his coat. Understood the story? Okay. Now we will see some new words. First word is road. That is road. The man is walking on the road. Next is coat. Coat. What is the man is wearing? That is coat. Then stronger. Stronger means who is stronger? कौन सबसे ज़्यादा strong? ताकतवर. Cheeks. This is a cheek. Cheeks जो होते हैं ना हमारे गाल. This is a cheeks. Then one. One means जीत जाना. WON. One means जीत जाना. Okay, children. Now we will see some questions and answers. Question first is write answers of the following questions. Question first is what did the wind do to get the man's coat off? And its answer is the wind blew hard to get the man's coat off. कि विंड ने क्या किया था ऐसा क्वेश्चन है. सो द विंड ब्लू हार्ड टू गेट द मैन्स कोट ऑफ. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डिड द सन डू टू गेट द मैन्स कोट ऑफ. नाउ व्हाट डिड द सन्स डू टू गेट what did the sun do to get the man's coat off? And its answer is the sun started shining hard to get the man's coat off. The sun started shining hard to get the man's coat off. Question third is who won in the end? Who won in the end? The sun won in the end. At the end we have seen sun has won. Who said this to whom? Now what you have to do? What you have to write? Who said to whom? मतलब किसने किसको कहा. कहते हैं ना. First sentence is I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. This sentence The wind said to sun. ये जो सेंटेंस है वो विंड ने सन को कहा था. Then I will let you try first. I will let you try first. The sun said to the wind. This sentence the sun said to the wind. Next, how cold it is. How cold it is. The man said to himself. ये उस मैन ने खुद को ही कहा था. The man said to himself. Then I give up. I cannot get his coat off. This sentence the wind said to the sun. ये sentence the wind said to the sun. And I have won. I have won. This sentence the sun said to the wind. ये sentence sun ने कहा था और वो भी wind को. Okay. Now see on page number 48. Now the remaining question you have to solve it in the textbook. This question, let us start. Rohan tries to snatch Geeta's new book from her. What do you think is the best thing to do? Choose an answer. He is Rohan and she is Geeta. And Rohan is trying to snatch her new book from her. Snatch means छीनना. He is trying to snatch new book from Geeta. What do you think is the best thing to do? Choose an answer. Here are some options. And according to you, that means you have to think what should Geeta do? कि गीता को क्या करना चाहिए? Geeta runs away with her book. Geeta fights with Rohan. Geeta talks to Rohan or Geeta cries in a corner. Now you have to think what should Geeta do? गीता को क्या करना चाहिए? You have to think, and whatever you feel correct, you have to tick in front of it. Okay, so this question you have to solve yourself. Now see on page number 49, we have to find a rhyming word from the story for each of these words. We have to find rhyming word. Rhyming word means which has same end. So first word is bun. So in the story, a rhyming word for bun is sun. Hold, cold. Boat, coat. Fan, man. Sunny, funny. Pot, hot. So these are the rhyming words came in this story. The next, now here are some doing words in the story. Doing words means action words. हम जिन्हें verb भी कहते हैं, action words. Walking, smiling, blowing and pulling. Find 3 more doing words in the story that end in ing and then write them here. Now we have to find 3 more doing words, means action words in the story that has ing at their end. उनके end में ing होता है, वो हमें लिखने हैं. So in the story, wiping word came. Wiping means पोंछना. The man is wiping his face. Wiping. Shining. Sun started shining hard. And puffing. Wind puffing his cheeks and blowing hard. Puffing. Then choose the right word from the box below and fill in the blanks. Here are some words. Pulled means pulled, खींचना. That is pulled. Then took. Took means निकालना. Took. Then blew. Wind is blowing. Blow hard. Blow करना. Then felt. Felt means feeling. कि man started feeling hot. Man started feeling cold. Felt. Then wanted. Wanted means want. कि चाहिए होता है. And started means start करना. Started. So let us start. One day the wind and the sun had a competition. They wanted to make a man take off his coat. They both wanted, उन्हें यही चाहिए था कि man अपना कोट निकाले. They wanted to make a man take off his coat. Then first the wind blew hard. First blew. Wind ने ऐसा किया था ना, puffing his cheeks and started blowing hard. So the wind blew hard. The man pulled his coat tightly round himself. Then the man pulled. Man ने अपना कोट ऐसा pulled किया था अपने खुद की तरफ, round himself. Then the sun started. फिर sun ने शुरुआत की. The sun started shining hard. And the man felt hot. After that the man felt, उसे गरम लगने लगा. The man felt hot and he took off his coat. Took, उसने अपना कोट उतारा. Then he took off his coat. Okay. Now see on page number 50. Now on page number 50, look at these pairs of words with opposite meanings. Hot, cold. These are opposites. Hot, garam. Cold means ठंडा. Hot, cold. Big, small. Big, small. Strong, weak. Strong, weak. Then now we have to write the opposites of these words. Opposite of good, bad. Good का opposite है bad. Hard, soft. These are opposites. ये एक दूसरे के अलग है. Hard, soft. Tall, short. Tall, short. Black, white. Black, white. Now last, this is a crossword fun. You have to look at the pictures and complete the words. Here first picture is of man, and what you have to do, here number is 1 and this box is also number 1. So what you have to write, MAN, ये होगा कि नहीं, man. So same like Now second you have to solve. Second you have to see what is it and complete this crossword puzzle. All this crossword puzzle. Okay children. Thank you.